Good afternoon, this is Brayden from McNaught, and today I wanted to show you guys a very special unit that we took in on trade here. It's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's got very low kilometers with only 22,000. It's a one-owner vehicle and has a clean carb roof. It comes in the beautiful black exterior with the paint to match roof. Hardtop only on this vehicle. From factory, comes with these very beautiful 17-inch rims on big BF Goodrich mud terrain tires. It's got the nice Rubicon decals on the side. Wrangler Unlimited, as it is a four-door. And a full-size spare on the back. In the trunk, there's plenty of space back here. A nice Jeep mat. We'll flip up underneath here. You have all places for your bolts from your roof and from your door hinges, as well as a nice pocket for storage there as well. And that bag you see there can fit your two front removable tops. Very nice and convenient. It is trail rated, of course, as are all Wranglers. Paint to match grille. It's one beautiful unit. Now let's go inside. Now before hopping in, I just wanted to show the door panel quickly. It does have power locks, which is actually a pretty rare thing on a Jeep. I want to talk about these switches here. So this is actually an axle lock, which will lock your front and rear axles if you're stuck in a sticky situation in the mud. And this will disconnect your sway bars, which will give you as much ground clearance for your tires to touch all four at the ground at the same time. So it's very convenient. It has all-weather mats. A nice Rubicon stitching on the seats. And hopping inside, there's a 5-speed automatic transmission. Up top here, it is an auto-dimming mirror. Button right here. Full touchscreen with navigation, which is very nice. As well as FM, AM, and satellite radio, which comes free for 3 months. Power window switches. Down below here, we have our climate controls, our mirror switches, sorry. It has heated seats, traction control, and this button is for the 12-volt outlet, which you can find right underneath here. A 4x4. And in the center console, we have two storage spaces. We have this one, followed by a much bigger one down here. And these are hooks for grab handles, which can go right on the roll bar. And moving to the side, we have a nice storage space in the glove box. As we walk around, you can look in the back seat. Nice room, plenty of leg room as it is the four-door model. Rubber floor mats on the bottom as well. In the center here, you have two cup holders and the power window switches. So all in all, it's a great vehicle if you're looking for a daily vehicle that you can also send on the mud in the weekends. If you have any questions about this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us at 1717 Waverly Street or give us a call at 204-786-3811, and we'd be glad to help.